tutorial, and in this video you are learning Crud operation using Laravel 8. In the last video you have learned how to insert the data into database using Laravel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display the individual data. For example, if I click on this, then based on this ID, the data of this row will display in a separate page. So in this page we are going to discuss about that. So if you click here, you can see that it is showing blank. So once again it is showing blank because here this function is actually being called. If you want to see, then print here or echo I am being called. Now if you refresh it, you can see I'm being called. That means what? This function is being called from there. So here we will fetch the data based on that ID, and then we will display that data into view files. So here we will write this function. We will write here this function. Okay, it's already there actually, so we need to. Okay, so here what we are doing, once again the data is based on this ID. Okay, so like this ID will pass here, and based on that the data will be fetched and the same data will be passed here. Okay, and will display into view file. Now if you refresh this page, then it will show error that there is no show files. So which files we need to create? We need to create this show.blade.php. Not in controller, here resources, then views, then products, then show.blade.php. and now we will put our code here showing this error. Okay, so now if you will click, then it will show blank because we don't have anything currently. We will put the code here. Now let's put this code. Once again we are calling this layout, and then content and show products, price. So we are calling here three fields. The first one is product name, description, and price. Since we have three fields, that is right. And if you click on back, then it will return back to index file. Now let's go to this file here, and if you click here, then you can see the data is displaying here: shoes, Pima shoe, and price. If you click on this back button, if I click on this one, then it will show this data. So if I click on this one, jeans, then it will show the jeans. So how it works? Based on this ID, the data is fetched here in controller. Based on this ID, data is fetched here, and the same is sent in controller in this blade file, and then from here we are getting this $product, then product name, product description, and then price. So that's it in this source section of this video. In the next video we will be working on edit page and update. So stay connected. See you in the next video.